Hello and welcome back to my channel, yourtechdoc. My name is Pulkit and in this video, we will be discussing the must-have free smartphone apps that will blow your mind. Are you tired of using the same old apps on your smartphone? Do you want to explore new and exciting apps that can make your life easier? Well, you have come to the right place. So, without further ado, let's get started. Google Photos. If you're running out of storage space on your phone, Google Photos is the perfect app for you. It is a cloud-based photo and video storage app that offers unlimited storage for free. You can access your photos and videos from anywhere, and it automatically backs up your content. With Google Photos, you can free up space on your phone and never lose a memory again. Canva. Do you want to create professional-looking graphics and designs without hiring a designer? Canva is the app for you. It is a graphic design app that offers templates, elements, and tools for creating social media posts, flyers, business cards, and more. With Canva, you can easily customize and design your own content for free. MyFitnessPal. If you want to track your calories and nutrition, MyFitnessPal is the perfect app for you. It is a calorie tracking and nutrition app that offers a database of over 11 million foods. You can log your meals, track your exercise, and set goals. With MyFitnessPal, you can make sure you're eating the right foods and living a healthy lifestyle. Duolingo. Do you want to learn a new language for free? Duolingo is the app for you. It is a language learning app that offers over 30 languages to choose from. You can learn at your own pace, and it offers lessons, quizzes, and speaking exercises. With Duolingo, you can learn a new language and expand your horizons. Libby. If you love reading but don't want to spend money on books, Libby is the perfect app for you. It is a library app that offers free e-books and audiobooks from your local library. You can borrow and download books directly to your phone, and it offers a wide range of genres. With Libby, you can read and listen to books for free. MoodFit. MoodFit is a mental health app that offers mood tracking, guided meditations, and journaling to help improve emotional well-being. It also offers personalized wellness plans and exercises to help reduce stress and anxiety. MoodFit is free and available on both iPhone and Android. Well, there you have it. These are the must-have free smartphone apps that will blow your mind. From photo storage to graphic design, calorie tracking to language learning, and free books, these apps offer a wide range of benefits without costing you a dime. So, what are you waiting for? Download these apps and take your smartphone experience to the next level. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more informative videos like this.